4. Single citizenship. The Indian Constitution provides for single citizenship of India, which is common to all the people of various states and union territories. 5. Inequality of representation in Rajya Sabha. A constitution does not accord equal representation to all the states. It accords representation to the various states in the Rajya Sabha on the basis of their population. What this means? Well, this means that the states with larger populations send more representatives in comparison to the states with smaller population. Further, the Rajya Sabha also has 12 members nominated by the President from amongst persons who have specialized in the field of art, literature, science, and social services. This is a clear departure from the federal principle. 6. Existence of union territories. Another feature which is a clear pointer to the unitary character of the Indian Constitution is the existence of administrative units known as the union territories. These units are directly governed by the central government and do not enjoy any independent powers or autonomy.